Alrighty, so the camera died yesterday while we were still finishing up putting the spark plugs in the engine bay. And it was getting dark and I was kind of tired, so we went ahead and finished up putting the new spark plugs on this side of the engine. And it actually ended up sorting out all the issues. So it runs good now, but I still got over here spark plugs, the other set for the other side of the engine bay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and pull all these bad boys, pull them all out, put the new spark plugs in, throw them back in, and go from there. Monday, tomorrow, I go and get all the new paint, and I also have to go get the sanding pads and such, and then it's all down to sanding, cleaning up, prepping for paint. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sitting here. Trying to get the spark plug out. It won't come out. It's all rusty and stuff. There's moisture in the boot. So yeah, that's interesting.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so I got all the coils installed, all bolted down, cleaned up. Yeah, I did go ahead and I put the new coil in there, if you can see, from the Duralast one, just because I didn't trust that old one. Cleaned everything up, and she's ready to rock and roll. So let's go hit it. Alrighty, so I think that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, hit subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all next time. I just hit the side of that. I hate myself sometimes. Woo!